RYOBI's 36V 2030 PSI pressure washer is perfect for all your outdoor cleaning jobs. If you've got a car, bike, deck or path to clean, this unit offers everything you need. The 36V HP Brushless motor generates powerful cleaning pressure, and the turbo nozzle gives you a little extra power for tough grime. And this 7.6 metre pressure hose gives you great reach. There are 3 power modes to choose from. In Eco mode, you can activate the soap function. The 15-degree nozzle is for gentler spraying. It has an ergonomic trigger and a durable stainless steel lance. It comes in a kit that includes a 4-amp charger and 6-amp battery. And it stores a second charged battery ready to go, extending runtime.
RYOBI, a cut above.